Before installing the power cables, make sure you've installed the cable housing of the brakes inside the handlebar, as described in the video of the brake assembly. To ease the installation of power cables in the handlebar, we suggest to use a false power cable and a steel cable with a magnet at one end. These instructions explain the assembly of Campagnolo EPS groupset. With a similar method, it is also possible to assemble a Shimano Di2 groupset. Start by passing the cable for the right lever, long, purple, from the stem to the frontal hole. Continue with the cable for the right extension, short, purple, passing it from the stem to the slotted hole above the handlebar. Repeat the same operation for the cables for left lever and left extensions, respectively long and short blue. Proceed with the assembly of brake levers. Connect the cables with the proper colors and fix the controls on the handlebar. The brake cable's housings must already be positioned. You can see how to pass them through in the video dedicated to brake assembly. First of all, fix with tape the appropriate support on the battery. Through the head tube, insert the battery inside the down tube and fasten it with two M4 screws in the position shown. Connect an extension cable to the green wire that comes out from the battery and, using the cable guide with the magnet, pass it from the head tube to the hole below the bottom bracket. Repeat the same steps with the yellow cable. Then, with the help of the magnetic cable guide, insert the green wire in the frame and take it to the hole on the right dropout. Then insert the yellow cable and take it out from the hole above the bottom bracket. Still using the magnet, insert the battery charging cable, blue, in the hole of the upper headset bearing and take it out from the big hole behind the head tube. Fix it in its dedicated holder with the supplied bolt. Insert it inside the frame through the big hole and fix it with an M4 screw on the up ahead lateral hole. Once the extensions and the spacers are assembled, pass the short purple cable in the central hole of the spacers and take it to the frontal hole of the extension. Fix the spacers and the support to the handlebar. Connect the cable to the related control and fasten everything to the extension. Proceed in the same way for the left-hand control, short blue cable. Now insert the red wire coming out of the unit interface into the stem hole and take it out from the hole on the right side. Place the unit interface inside the stem, keeping some space for the steer tube. Take the red wire outgoing from the battery, insert it into the frame, and take it out from the slotted hole behind the head tube. Once the handlebar is assembled, connect the cable with the red one arriving from the stem and insert the cable in excess inside the frame.